Hey guys, welcome to iBanter. Today I'm going to show you 4 helpful tips on your iPhone. If you like the content, please subscribe, please like, and let's get into it. Alright, so the first tip I want to show you is a really cool one. It's pretty fun too. It's called VoiceOver. Let me show you how to get into it. So let's go to your home screen, go to Settings, you want to go to Accessibility. Then in the middle, you'll see voice control. So right here, this lets you control your phone with your voice. More than Siri, more than Google. It's pretty cool. So right here, you're gonna click activate voice control. And now you'll see, you can customize it. Right here, you can see commands. These are all the commands that you can do with your phone. You can go to basic navigation. All these things you can do by just speaking to your phone. So let's say I want to open the camera. I can say, open camera. There you have it. It opened the camera. And then now let's get back into it. You can even create a new command. So if you want something that's more customized to you, you click into here and create your own command. More special, more particular to what you want to do. Just create a command. You can write a phrase that you want to say to activate the command, and also set up the action and the application you want to open. So this is a really cool one that I like. Lets you play with your phone and lets you make everything more easier. That's number 1. Alright, now secondly, I'm going to show you a really cool trick. It's with your photos. So you go to Photos on your phone. Just go to a picture with a person or with a center image, something with something that you can focus on. So this is me right here. I'm just gonna long press on it. Right here, it pulled out that person, so it pulled me out of the picture. So I can either click share. So share this directly to someone. Let's say text here. I'll share it directly to here, like a sticker. Or if you like this one, you can actually hold on to it and use it more often as like a emoji type of thing. You click add sticker. This adds it to your like a stash of stickers, and every time you're texting, you click on the emoji button and you'll see your stickers button beside it. So if you go here, go emoji. Go right here on this one on the side. Go to the very left. Right, it's right here beside recents. So right here, these are all your saved emojis right here. And there you go. There you have it. That's tip number 2. Alright, and also one really cool thing about the feature is that if you go to this image here, so it works with some images. It doesn't work with all images because Apple has to recognize the center object. So this one I know it recognized. You hold on to here, it's a sticker right here. So you can actually pull here, go to a new one, use 2 fingers, drop it here. There you go, send. There it is. So that's a really fun way to send images. Alright, so now here's tip for number 3 for beginners. It's a short one, but it's very helpful when you need it. So right here, you want to go to the home screen, go to Safari for example. I have a page, I have a long page. What do I do? There's so much good information here. So right here, I want to normally, what would you do? Would you actually, oh, I like this, I screenshot this. Oh, I like this, I screenshot this. This too, screenshot this. Is there a better option? Now I'm going to show you here. So if you go to the top, you screenshot it, click on the image. On the top it says screen. What's beside it? Full page. So click on full page. It actually saves the whole length of the whole page as a screenshot. And then you click done. You click save the photos. And there you go. Also, when you click full page, if you don't want the whole thing, you can click full page and then crop. You can crop it however you like. Let's say I only want, I only like this part. You can save just that part there. There you have it. That's the tip number 3. Alright, so here's helpful tip number 4. This one's pretty cool because I found this in Safari and I've been using it ever since. So we all hate pop-ups, right? But we're kind of forced to watch them. We have to watch them or scroll through them or have them there. So what can we do? So if you go to your Safari here, you see, oh, there's an ad. Oh, I don't want to see that. I don't want to know about this get a vacation with benefits. So what do? What you gotta do is be here. Click on the little square beside your website. Click on that. Click hide distracting items. Tap on it. Hide. And there you go. The ad is gone from your site. So that's really helpful. I find it really makes me enjoy the websites. I'm enjoying a lot more. And there you have it. Those are 4 helpful tips for beginners. And hope you enjoyed the content. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, please like, and please hit the bell icon. Hope you have a good one. Until next time, peace.